I tell you these things because I love seeing you happy. I love living in this world where everything seems all right.
Darling, I'd wait for you even if you didn't have.
Where I'm in love, I'm happy, and I'm willing to stay. But will you be mine isn't something I'm ready to say.
I lash around the moon and bring it on down.
Because I'm scared that this version of me isn't all that you made it up to be. That I'm not good enough even if I try, that I can't make it even if I fake it, that I can't love you even when I do.
Shelve that stuff for years to come. 'Cause baby, when your arms are around me, I swear that I'm holding the sun.
When I'm with you, I forget to tell you I love you because I feel it's implied.
I'd give
It's not that I don't love you. I can't help but to call you, to text you, and to remind you how much I love you.
I'd give you the sun if you asked me. You could have all of the time. I could have the stars and the trees, one lighting up the universe. You could have mine.
With you or not, my love for you is always there.
Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara, himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ang tinig ay hindi mawawala. Hiwaga mong dala. Ikaw aking musika. Dumating ang araw na di na maalala ng iyong mata ang aking muka. Mahal, wag kang mag-alala, tanda naman ng puso ang itsura ng naging pagsinta. Kung oras ay nababalik lang sana, ay babalik nung una kang nakita. Muli kang liligawan ng muli kong maranasan ng umibig sa anghel sa lupa. Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ang tinig ay di mawawala. Hiwaga mong dala. Ikaw aking musika. Kung utak ay hindi na kayang gumawa ng melodiya para pisngi mo'y pumula, memorya ko man ay wala, nakatatak na sa tadhanang minsan sa'yo'y namangha. Kung oras ay nababalik lang sana, ay babalik nung una kang nakita. At aking iuulat sa iyong umabot ng walang hanggan ang storya nating dalawa. Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ang musika. Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ang tinig ay di mawawala. Hiwag ka mang dala. Ako ang iyong musika. Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ang tinig ay hindi mawawala. Hiwaga mong dala. Ikaw aking musika.